Umsning MLA Jason S. Maolong yesterday inaugurated the renovated infrastructure under upgradation project of Yeo Maolong Government LP School. This project was sanctioned under state fund at an estimated amount of Rs 37,02,028. Addressing the program, Maolong said that Yeo Maolong Government LP School is lucky enough to receive this grant. He urged the school management committee and the teachers to work hand in hand for the uplift of the quality education. He stressed on the proper utilization of the infrastructure for the benefit of students.
Idongkam ke jinang jengsan, kodor hidup kata-kata. Kumbakiyai ke juk, kumtangi habdi ben adab ya ladero. Bat ngangit bah, na pren juk gini ke kena, kim don ki klur ki ben mi hadir nabol. Kila belong ki officers ki prepare, kila belong ki engineers, kila belong ki doctor. Baka kelpat yang ni bah parakhot kinong hikai kamtang. Kapa hikai hikini kena. Beningkong gide benang men hikai ya kata mo kum sabar penong pi kum hapot Japan kiwi hikai ni kong ke buram ya kor ke buram hikai ki de jing e kata ba doktor shimiki kum ki kunjung lagi